Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to learn what are the materials required for sketching. For a basic sketch, what are the materials we need? So let's start. To make a basic sketch, first of all, we need a mechanical pencil. You can see I use this cello arc mechanical pencil of 0.7. Okay, then we need this steel scale, and most importantly we need sketching pencils. I use Artline sketching pencils because I find these effective. First, I will show you these pencils. See, this is 8B pencil, this is 4B pencil, this is HB pencil, this is 10B pencil, this one is 6B pencil, this is 2B pencil. If you know some basic sketching, you must know the difference in these. Now, we need a sketchbook. This is A3 sketchbook of 140 GSM. You can see it's written here. Its pages are very nice. More. We need to use a brush, a makeup brush to blend the sketch. This is also important, or we can use a blender. I use blender also. Wait, I'll show you my blender. These are my 3 blenders. I use all 3, and as you can see, this is now blackish by using it many times. So to clean this, you can use sandpaper. You can get this online or any stationery shop. See, like this you can clean your blender. See, now it's clean. So that is how you can clean a blender. I use this paint brush to blend. Also, if you are upgraded to advanced sketching, then you might need this electric eraser. This is Brusto's electric eraser. I use it because I find it a bit nice. And if its tip is not clean, you can clean it with sandpaper like this. This is an electric eraser. This is very useful in nice and advanced sketching. You need 2 pencil battery in this. So that's all for today. I have shown you all the materials needed for basic sketching except this. This is used in advanced sketching. So I'll remove this from here. So these are the materials which are required for basic sketching. So bye bye. Meet you in the next video.